Planning a layover in Doha? DOH is one of the world's best airports with incredible amenities, plus easy access to the city. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for DOH. Getting around from DOH is easy. The Doha Metro takes you to the city in 30 minutes, or grab a rideshare for about 25 minutes. You'll need at least 5 hours total to comfortably leave the airport. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, you're staying at the airport. But trust me, that's not a bad thing. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Then head straight to the Instant Paris Lounge, a complimentary lounge with French-inspired decor where you can relax for an hour. Next, explore the PS4 gaming area for some free entertainment, or check out the art gallery. Finally, grab a coffee at Café Eiffel with views of the tarmac before heading to your gate. This Doha airport layover keeps you comfortable without the stress of city transit. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore what to do Doha layover style. After clearing customs, hop on the Doha Metro and head straight to Souk Waqif, the city's most famous traditional market. Spend an hour exploring the spices, textiles, and local crafts in this authentic Qatari atmosphere. Then grab lunch at Chez Al Shumos for traditional Qatari breakfast foods. Next, walk over to the Museum of Islamic Art Park for stunning skyline views. From there, take the metro back to the airport with plenty of time for security. This is the perfect introduction to Doha during your layover at Doha Airport. 16 hours? That's a full day in Doha. After customs, take the metro into the city and start at Souk Waqif for that authentic market experience. Then visit the nearby Falcon Souk to see these magnificent birds up close, an important part of Qatari culture. Head to Damascus 1 for a proper Syrian lunch, then spend quality time inside the Museum of Islamic Art exploring the incredible collection. Later, treat yourself to dinner at Parisa, a stunning Persian restaurant at Souk Waqif with beautiful decor. Finally, take a sunset walk along the Corniche waterfront before heading back to the airport. This is the ultimate what-to-do Doha layover experience. Budget breakdown. The 4-hour Airport Explorer costs about $14 for a meal at the airport. The 8-hour City Explorer runs about $28 with metro and 1 meal. And the full 16-hour day costs around $56, including transit and 2 proper meals in the city. A few tips. First, many nationalities get free visa on arrival. Check Qatar's Ministry of Interior before you go. Second, the airport has sleep pods and showers, perfect for overnight layovers. And third, Qatar Airways offers stopover hotel packages starting at just $14 per night if you're staying longer. Planning a Doha layover? Full guide at yopki.com. Link below.